A round brush is the most commonly used and a very versatile brush. Today I'm going to show you what you can paint with this brush so you can see if it's in line with what you're going for. We can paint a fine line using a round brush, as a good quality round brush should have a fine point at the tip. It can also paint fluid strokes. We can use it to form some natural shapes as seen in nature, such as ripples on the surface of water. We can use it to paint a leaf with points at each end. We can paint a rounded shape with a pointed tip at one end. This can be used for creating another shape of leaf, water droplets, etc. Dots can be used as dreamy bubbles, snow, or stars. When we use a dry brush technique, which means your brush doesn't have much water on it, the strokes can be more textured. You can use it for flower centers, grass, Christmas trees, or anything you want really to have some pattern. If you enjoy doing some doodling or filling in a coloring book, the round brush can help you to easily fill the blank areas. When you are blending two colors, whether you are painting a pattern such as for the sky or a smooth gradient, you can always use a round brush. Of course, if you want to blend on a larger scale, you can choose a larger sized brush. You can paint flourishes using a round brush. The result may be slightly less controllable than if you were to use brush pens, as the round brush is soft and will only hold a limited amount of water, but it also gives you a very nice and loose blotchy effect. The last type I can think of is mini art. We usually use a liner brush for this, like this one I'm using now, which has a fine point that allows for creation of tiny artworks.